right, folks, what we got here is a Hyundai Tucson. We're going to do a cabin air filter from AutoZone, STP CAF 1820P. And like most cabin air filters, they're going to be found in the glove box. All right, let's get in here and see what's in here. Oh, it's flooded in here. All right, we're going to have to tie this up with some masking tape so all these contents is not going to fall out. But to remove it, the glove box has to fall down because it's in there. All right, so if you look to the sides, there's these little knobs here. Okay, these little knobs, they come off. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Just take them off and they will come out. So one on this side, one on this side, and then you got the little shock on it here. This just pulls right out like that, okay? Just snap it out off to the side and you're okay. So what I'm gonna do is, before I take that last knob off over there, I'm gonna put some masking tape over here to hold the contents. Otherwise, it's gonna all fall out. So let's do that. All right, the tape's not holding too well today because it's only 15 degrees outside, people. So I'm gonna take this last knob off over here on the side. Okay, take it out. And we're gonna show you where the filter is right in here, okay? There's a little piece over here. Just gotta squeeze the tab. And this whole door is gonna swing out, okay? There's the tab. Two pieces that you squeeze. This part inserts into a slot in there. All right, so I'm gonna take that, put that off to the side. I'll do this one hand while I hold this door. All right, this is the filter. We're gonna pull it out. Looks like it hasn't been changed in a while. You can see the dirt on it. You can see some of the leaves and everything else that's in there. Look at that. Yeah, you spread that even wider, you can see how bad it is. All right, it's almost like the filters that you see for your house. All right, doesn't say what brand it is, no, but if you look at it, see it says airflow with the arrow going down. All right, so just remember that, because if the new filter has the same thing, airflow with the arrow is going to go down. All right, let's just take this, chuck it off to the side. Let's open the new one. Oh, comes in a wrapper. Take the wrapper off. There it is. See it? It says airflow down. So I want to go with the same theme, airflow down. Let's toss it back in here. Okay, let's go this way actually. Different manufacturers, I'll tell you, they definitely make them different sizes. Some fit one way and some fit another way. Let's see how this one fits. It's gotta fit that way. Let me see if there's a little restriction in there or not. Let's check this out. No, goes in this way. That's the way it goes. They flow down. What happens is I was using one hand and it was hard to push this in this corner. So two hands, one on this side, one on this side, pushes in nice and flush. Okay, so I'm gonna take this piece, put this into the slot here. Then you're going to snap it in. Perfect. All right. Customer just happened to have a nice set of boots over here to hold the door up, so I can use two hands. All right, so I'm going to bring this up. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to snap in this little shock off to the side. Okay. It's this shock right there. Okay. That's the shock I'm going to snap in. Get that over with. And that'll hold the door up just enough for me to put those little knobs in. There you go. All right, let's put you back over here. You can see. All right, I'm gonna take this tape off. I don't need it. Yeah, this tape does not hold 15-degree weather. It's got no sticking capabilities at all. At least to this plastic. All right, just trying to get it off my fingers. All right, so here's the knob right there. in the corner. See a little slot up and down. Put the slot up and down. Prepare it so it's ready to go in. Okay, push it in. Turn it to the right. One in. Let's find the other knob. It's somewhere. I'll use my left hand here. Might be in the way. Same thing. This way. Da-da-da-da. Come on. My hands are frozen. Hands are frozen. Let's try it again. Try with my right hand. There you go. All right. Slide it over a little bit. There's a knob right there. Can you see it? Probably not with this camera. Okay, just gonna turn it. Locks right in. Good to go. And the door is gonna slam closed. There you go. All right. So there is your filter inside the glove box. And here's the dirty one. Let's show you what that looks like. Dun, dun, dun. There it is. All right. Up against the white snow, it's pretty filthy. You can see it really close. All right. So change those filters, people, because that's what you'll be breathing in. All right. Thanks for watching.